Hey, welcome to Pretty Hairstyle. We're going to do a cute combo hairstyle. Let's get started.
Okay, the first thing I've done is I've parted off a rectangle on top of her head, just on either side of her forehead. Turn around to the back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little top braid up here, and then we're going to put in a ponytail. And this is just to add a little interest on the top, instead of just having just a braided ponytail. So I'm going to do a French twist braid up here, so I'm just going to spray a little bit of water just right here on this section. And I'm just going to part off front section. You see I've got her bottom hair clipped off so it doesn't get mixed up with this hair. So for a French twist braid, I'm just going to split it in half and then wrap it around twice. And then I'll pick up hair from either side, add it to each side, and then wrap it around twice, and then just repeat until I get to the end of my parted off section. Okay, so I've reached the bottom of this section. I've added in all the hair, so I'm going to twist it really tight, and I'm going to take an elastic that will match her hair color or a clear one, and I'm going to get it right to the base of the braid. Just put that in nice and tight, and I'll just pull this into this ponytail I'm going to do. Okay, so for this ponytail I'm going to grab my water bottle again, just spray your sides. I'm just going to brush this into a high ponytail. Okay, once you got your ponytail all smooth, going to take a high ponytail, or put this in a high ponytail, just as close as you can get to that braid. Okay, then I'm just going to wrap this really quick, taking a little section of hair from underneath her hair, her ponytail, wrapping it around, grabbing my topsy tail. I'm going to put it inside the ponytail, inside that elastic, put the hair in, and while holding that tight and holding the end of the topsy tail, I'm going to pull that through. Alright, and then for this box braid, this is the easiest braid ever, and it's so cool. Just split your hair in half, pick up a medium-sized piece from one side. You're just going to take your first finger, split it in half evenly, and one section is going to go over the top of this outside section, and one's going to go underneath. Do the same thing on the other side, pick up a section, split it in half, one side goes over the top, one goes underneath. One more time. Your sections, split it in half, over the top and underneath. And just continue this all the way down. There's the box braid. You can see how it makes it 3D on both sides. And to finish off this cute hairstyle, I'm just going to take a little flower and just put it in that space in between her ponytail and the braid. The fall flower. That is our cute combo hairstyle with a fishtail box braid.
Thanks for watching. Watch these Halloween videos here and subscribe here. Thanks for watching. Bye!